Hello and welcome. I am thrilled that you are here with me right now because you've probably heard to create an online course, you just need to record a video or 10 videos, create a workbook, upload it to a drive, and call it done. However, this is not the case. A course should be a legacy. It should be something that inspires and evokes transformation in the person going through it. And if you're here with me now, I'm guessing you want a course that can be your legacy, something that you're proud of and that can inspire and impact your audience. Hi, I'm Arika Clark Alejo, founder and owner of ThriveEpic. I've owned my own business and been immersed in the adult education and curriculum design world for nearly 20 years. I've created a business together with my team where we design interactive and immersive online courses for coaches, entrepreneurs, and other small businesses to help them maximize the impact that they have with their clients, as well as help their businesses flourish. So, what does it mean to maximize impact? Typically, courses are built in a very passive way. Think back to the days when you were in high school or college and your professor just lectured at you and threw information at you. It wasn't focused on how the information is being integrated for long-term success. However, the way my team and I build courses is through an active approach to learning. We curate content based on how adults learn and how adults are going to be able to integrate and use that information. We create hands-on experiences inside of the course. So think of a 360-degree photo where you can actually jump in and play, or inside of a course where it's choose your own adventure and you get to take your own path inside of one program. This is the active approach to learning that my team and I love to design. Scientifically, this is better. It yields better results for your clients and it maximizes the impact that you have. So how does this work? We collaborate with people in several ways. One, we have a done for you program where we help take your knowledge, skills, expertise, and content and actually design and build the course for you. We have an online course for those of you that want to do it yourself. And we also have a hybrid approach. For those of you who may want to do most of it yourself but need help laying out your content in a very strategic way, we can do that with you as well. Regardless of what you want to do, the first thing to get going is look down below, click on the button, and book a call. I look forward to talking to you soon.